Want strong killer abs? Well, do this 4 weeks challenge and get yourself ready for the summer season. This workout is apartment friendly, we will not be doing any jumping, and you can do it no matter what fitness level you're at. So for best results, combine this workout together with total body strength and also cardio workouts. And I challenge you to end your workout for the next 4 weeks with this challenge. Less talking and let's get straight into the workout. So each exercise will be for 45 seconds long with 15 seconds rest in between. There will be 2 separate circuits to really target those core muscles. For the first circuit, what you'll need is one really light weight. I'm using 3 kilos, or use anything you can grab from your home. Okay, let's get into it. So the first workout is squat with a shoulder press, okay? So I want you to keep your knees and your toes pointed forward, and I want you to bring them close together, so not too wide, and I want you to give me a deep squat, elbows touching your knees, and push it back up, okay? By giving me a deep squat, you're engaging your core muscles. Alright, so remember guys, squat is not just working on your legs, but it is also working on your core. As you straighten your body, push up with your heels, squeeze your butt and squeeze your core, alright? So doing abs workout, it's not all about crunches, okay? In fact, we will not be doing any traditional crunches. So push up, squat deep, and tighten your core and push up. Very good. Rest. Next workout is going to be a static lunge with a twist, okay? So let's work on one side to begin with, and for the second set, we will work on the opposite side. So step, lunge, and just twist. Just one side. Good. This will work on your obliques. So static lunge and twist, all right? In order to keep yourself static, you have to engage your core. Good. Work on those deep core muscles. Pull it back, twist, pull it back, suck your tummy in. Feel your legs burning, feel your core muscles burning, and keep twisting and look the opposite side. Good. Keep going, twist, one side, forward, twist, forward, twist, and forward. Good. 5 more seconds. Keep twisting. I know your legs should be on fire and your core. Good. Next workout, Woodchop, okay? So stand slightly wider, toes pointed forward, bring your weights up to the right and twist it, and imagine you're chopping a wood, and up the opposite side and twist it, okay? So up, chop, up the opposite side and twist. Good. Again, this will work on your obliques. Twist, bring your knee close to the mat and up. Twist, up and twist. Good. Pull it, feel your obliques and twist. Very nice. Keep going. You should also feel your heart rate increasing, and you will be burning calories. Keep twisting. Opposite, left to right, left to right. Good. Few more. Keep going. 5 more seconds. Don't stop right now. And we want to move on to the first workout. Rest for 15 seconds. Let's not stop now. Let's get straight into squat with shoulder press. So slightly narrow squat, okay? Toes pointed forward. Give me a nice deep squat. Ready? Reach up, squat down, tap, and up. Good. Elbows to your knees. Push your butt back, tap, and push up. Very good. Extend your arms, squeeze your butt, squeeze your core, and push all the way up. Nice. Keep going. Good. Whew. Look straight ahead. Breathe in and breathe out. You're almost there. And remember, the next workout is a static lunge, and we want to work on the opposite side, okay? So switch side. 5 more seconds. Push, squeeze your core, tighten, and good. Now left leg forward, okay? Or right leg forward, depending on which leg you have worked on. Step back, all right? And I want you to give me the opposite twist. Very good. Ready? Let's go. Twist. Nice and controlled. Sometimes small movements means more muscles being worked on. Good. Feel your left oblique being worked on. Good. Small movement. Balance yourself. Breathe in, control, nice controlled movement. Good. Keep going. Keep twisting. Very nice. You're halfway there, more than halfway there. Woo! I can feel my legs burning, but do not stop now, okay? Twist. Good. Steady. Twist. A few more. Twist. Keep going. Twist. Give me one more. And rest it out. Wood chop. All right. Stand slightly wider right now. Toes pointed out. And remember, opposite side, reach the opposite side. All right. So start on your right and twist and chop to your left. Good. Up, bend. Good. Up and twist. Up and twist. Very good. Bend your knees. Twist. Push the strength down into the floor and bring it back up and twist. Good. Feel the side of your obliques working. If you feel that you want to push yourself even more, what you can do is lift heavier as you progress through the weeks. All right? No jumping at all, but this will really work on your core and also get you sweating. Last one more, and good. Well done. Now, take a 1 minute break. Keep yourself hydrated, drink some water, because we want to move on to the second circuit. So keep yourself hydrated. Second circuit coming up to work more on your core. Keep your heart rate up. We're moving on to the second circuit. This circuit is based on repetitions. So each workout will have different repetitions. The first workout will be a plank walk with Spider-Man, all right? So watch me. We're gonna start with one Spider-Man, left and right. Use your mat, walk all the way to the end of your mat, and right at the end, let's do two Spider-Mans, okay? So bring your knees towards your elbow and now walk back right to the end of your mat. Let's go for 3 Spider-Mans. Good. 1, 2, bend your knee, elbow slightly. 3, good. Now let's walk back. All right, small movement, control, keep your body flat. Let's go for 4 Spider-Man. 2, 3, 4. Good. Walk back. Give me one last one, which will be 5 Spider-Mans. 1, 2, alternate, knees towards your elbow. 3, 4, and one last one. 5, and good. Now let's move on to the second workout, which will be single leg mountain climber. Nice and controlled, okay? So let's just start on your left leg. So up, bring your leg in, crunch, push it back, squeeze your butt, in, 2. So we want to do 10 repetitions. Good. 3, nice and controlled, no rushing. 4, crunch, push it back. 5, good, see your sweat dripping. 6, push. 7, push, nice and controlled. 8, don't rush the workout. 9, last one. 10, in and push. Good. Now just lie down on your mat. The third workout will be alternate crunches, okay? So all I want you to do is bring both legs up 90 degrees, one leg down, crunch in, and alternate. Good, good. Let's go. 2, 3, reach. 4, reach. 5, reach. 6, good. Let's aim for 12. 7, 8, keep going, don't stop now. 9, 10, last 2, 1, reach, 2, and change. Very good. Back up, let's move on to the first workout, which is a walking plank with Spider-Man, all right? You know the workout, give me your best effort, and remember, controlled movements, okay? Let's go. Give me 1 Spider-Man, go. 1, and now let's walk to the end. Give me 2, 1, and 2. Good, nice and controlled. Feel your abs, your obliques, every part of your core working. 3, 1, 2, 3, nice. My sweat is dripping. It's like raining right now. Give me 4, 1, 2, 3, one more, 4, and now let's walk it back, okay? As much as you can, keep your body flat. Let's go, last 5, 1, 2, I can feel your burn, okay? Don't stop right now, 3, woo, 4, last one, 5, and rest it out a little bit. Let's not stop right now. Let's get onto mountain climber. The other side, okay? Right, good. Let's get back up into plank. Let's work on your right side now. Control 1, push, 2, push, 3, in, push, 4, nice. Keep going, tuck it in, 5, 6, 7, 8, control, 9. If your body is shaking, that's a good sign. 10. All right. Sweaty. One last workout. Let's go down onto the mat. This is real, guys. I am not stopping at all. So legs up, 90 degrees. Let's go for 12. 1, reach, good. Crunch and feel lower abs as you bring your leg down. Feel your upper abs as you crunch up. That's 3 now, good. Keep going, 4, nice and controlled. Legs 90 degrees, 5, very good. 6, keep going. 7, point your toes, reach up. 8, look up. Last 4 more, 9, 10, feel your abs tightening and burning. Last 2 more, 1, last 1, 2, and now relax and just stretch it out. That's your 4-week killer ab challenge. Stretch it out a little bit, okay? Stretch it out. Whew. So that's your 4-week killer abs challenge. Remember that by doing 1,000 crunches, you will not grow your abs or have a flat tummy. For best results, again, combine this workout with total body strength and also cardio exercises. You can check them out in the links below as well. Tag your friends, share this video with your friends, and challenge them to this workout. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new workout video, recipes, and also fitness tips. All the best!